lórílẹ̀ ó di gòǹgbé ó di gòní lórílẹ̀ ó di gòǹgbé lórílẹ̀ ó di gòǹgbé ó di gòní lórílẹ̀ ó di gòǹgbé. lórílẹ̀ ó di gòǹgbé.
This is the representative of all the youth leaders in Akure. Yes. Coming here this morning to tell the militants declared that he is a militant that is going to fight us. We have known him to be a man of a reputable character, but unfortunately he turns to be a militant. We are here to call on the federal government, to call on the president of Nigeria, that they should come to the rescue of Akure, that if anybody believes it's going to cause crisis in this election, we are not going to take that.
Yes.
Yes. In the year 1983, all our gladiators were killed.
Yes.
They killed them in 1983 because there was an election between Akure and Owo. Since that time, we are here to get our stake.
Yes.
The politics of Ogun State and Nigeria attack. Yes. But this time around now, if a defunct chairman of a party, a charge of a lawyer, see a senior advocate of Nigeria calling a boy, and you said you are going to invite Yahaya Bello to come and support service in Akure, you are not going to take that.
Yes.
You were a chairman, they sent you out. You contested and you said they denied you people access to know what is happening concerning direct or indirect primary. Yet the primary was conducted and you took defeat. Fine, if that one has been taken, why must you now agree that, okay, Akure election has to be destroyed? That we are coming to invite Yahaya Bello to come and do what? To come and kill somebody here? Nobody can kill anybody here.
Yes.
Yes. You are from Ilaje, this is Akure. We go to America, we are from Akure. Yes. We go to London, we are from Akure. Yes. This is our home, we have nowhere to go. Yes. We are not going to live here for anybody. Yes. We don't need to bring Idajo to this.
Yes.
Idajo is from Akure Kingdom. And Idajo will not join anybody to set any beer ablaze in Akure. Yes. Idajo will not join anybody to kill anybody in Akure. Yes. His father is part of the people that build Akure. Yes. And ever since he has emerged as NURTW in this state, he has never taken either his hand to kill or to humiliate anybody. Yes. So if you want to fight, if you want to bring your militant to Akure, don't bring in Idajo. Bringing Idajo is a divide and rule. Yes. And we are saying that Idajo belongs to us. Yes. The composition of the youth leader here, we have APC here, we have PDP here, we have ADC here, we have all other parties leaders here. Yes. We are not here to support any party. Yes. We are not here that somebody must demand. But we are saying that you bringing militant to Akure, we are not going to take it. Yeah. Everybody using this medium to warn. Nothing must happen to Jagade. Yes. Nothing must happen to anybody in Akure. Yes. There must be no bloodshed in Akure. There must be no bloodshed in Akure. There is no killing. If anything happen like shooting or killing in the next election, Ketemeke will be held responsible for it. Yes. Ketemeke will be held responsible for it. We know you in out. You know everything you have here. You left your home, you come to Akure, you prosper in your business, you prosper in your legal issues. In every facet of life, you become a big man. And you now believe that the place God has helped you to grow, you now want to set that place ablaze. We're not going to take it. Yes. Yes. America does not belong to us. Yes. America does not belong to us. Yes. Akure belongs to us. Yes. We are calling on the federal government. Yes. We are calling on the high G. Yes. Go and watch the video clip of Mr. Ketemeke, where he said he's a militant that and is ready to deal with Jagade. Nobody must kill anybody here. Yes. Nobody must kill. Yes. And that belongs to us. Yes. We are his boys. Yes. He knows us very well. Yes. But if they said they are bringing militant to us, we are not going to take it. Yes. Thank you very much. And our guy is here himself.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
Well, I like to welcome you here. This is democracy. Abi?
Yes.
This is very good. People have a right to express themselves.
Thank you, sir.
And I definitely I will not. It's an agent of shame. I'm an agent of pride. You should be proud to have somebody like you. You can't afford to see another 1983. God forbid. Most of you were not old enough then.
Yes.
God
Forbid.
Election must be free and fair. I believe so.
Yes.
That election must be free and fair.
Yes.
We resist any act of killing and victimization by militant Ketemeke. You don't understand what is militant. What you are doing is militancy. You tell you don't say, but rara onigba, you don't pay. Militancy. Check the bomb. Check that. But this is militancy, aggressive, activist, fighting. for what you believe that I have said that is wrong. Buhari save our souls. Okay, that's correct. Kekemeke and Yaya Bello have no right to kill. I have never killed a rat. Rat. And I have never killed no. Kekemeke have no right to kill. I won't kill no. Militant Kekemeke, nothing must happen to Ita Ogegede. Ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí mo sọ? That no harm will come to Gegede. Kekemeke barrister of me. Ṣé ìtẹ́ sọ wọ̀nyẹn? Ṣé ìtẹ́ ń bú mi yìí? Ṣebí it's alright. Ẹ̀gbọ́n, it's alright, isn't it? Ṣé èmi o, we can't afford to say another brother. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán lò. Nǹkan tí mò ń sọ, mo wà ń lé mi mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣeré. Mo wá ní hà, èmi pé tí o mà kí ń ṣẹ̀rú tọ́ọ̀gì pé mo lọ sí Kàrẹ́, àwọn kan wọ́n wá ṣàkárá mi. Mo kàn ń wò pé kílẹ̀ ń ṣe pé ibi tèmi ti wá ní 2007 ìbọn AK-47 tó ní 90 rounds lọ́ fi ṣàkárá mi pé kí o bẹ̀rù. Ẹ ló wú dictionary mi. Militancy lẹ́ ń ṣe yìí náà. Tẹ kóra yín jọ tẹ ní no. That means I'm a fighter. That means I can be aggressive. It is my right. Wọlé Ṣóyínká militant. Fẹlá Aníkúlápó Kútì militant. A ní pastor tó sọ pé hey militant. So kí wá ni.
Ẹ ṣé ọ̀gá.
No kò tí tán. Kí wá ni kíní. Kí ni mo sọ pa Jẹ́gẹ́dẹ́?
Ẹ ṣé ọ̀gá.
No màá sọ. Mo ní politics à ń ṣàbí. Mo ní àwọn ọmọ Àkúrẹ́ mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ lájọ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú Túkànà. Mo wá ní pé èyí táwọn Jẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ ń sọ pé Akérédolú ya fún tàwọn pé kò tí ì rí nǹkan kan. It's political yàtọ̀. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ di tó twist gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ tó twist ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ lọ sí pépà mo sọ pé mi ò ń ṣe violent person kan tí mo ní pẹ̀lú militant rẹ̀ political yabis ni political taunting ni pé I undertake the Jẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ nothing will happen to you from me from me to you. One, one, I have no such intention. Two, I don't have that capacity. Why would I harm me? And two, I said that look, I am not an agent of violence, I'm an agent of peace. I am an agent of multi-so. Wọ́n wá ń lò ní wọ́n á sọ fún mi.
Ọ̀gá.
Ẹ̀yin náà wá sílé mi. Ṣebí ariwo lẹ́yìn náà pa ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin gan threaten me now.
Ọ̀gá ẹ̀jọ̀.
Èmi Kóńgò dání ni. Ṣé mi Kóńgò dání?
Ọ̀gá ẹ̀ka sọ sí.
So it is political talk. And let me tell you my brothers and sisters, what I was saying to show you that it was àwọn tó wà lọ́fíìsì mi, ọmọ Àkúrẹ́ tó wà lọ́fíìsì mi ló fi ń fóònù ṣeré. So it is not that pé mo lọ sí press conference no mo ṣeré lè ṣé mo ní pé a máa nà wọ́n pa ni ṣé ẹ̀ kí n ta ayò kẹ́ sọ pé a máa nà ẹ́ pa ni ṣé football matches company kíní ò kí n play kàn sọ pé a máa nà ẹ́ pa ni and I have said so on channels I have said so all over the world people should go people want to contest should go and campaign even when I was campaigning mi ò sọ pé kàn ta ni mo ti pè ní kó fi pè. Then okay, mo tún máa sọ eléyìí so that you can have a clear picture. Níbo ni mo ti mention ìdájọ́? Màá sọ fún yín so that kẹ́ lè gbọ́. Ní bàtà ń ṣe primary, Àmọ̀dá àti Báyọ̀dìrà ọ̀dọ̀ mi náà wà. Wọn ò fẹ́ rí ìdájọ́ rárá. Ìdájọ́ wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ Àkẹ́tì. Mo wá ń sọ fún Túkànà pé now that tí a ti ń reconcile nsìn both ìdájọ́ both Amoda Bayogbe and Ìdájọ́ will work together. That's all. That is all. Ẹ lọ wo fídíò yẹn bọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀dí pé Ìdájọ́ lọ bá Jẹ́gẹ́. No, mo ní now that tí Kekemeke lékeleke àti àwọn that they will work together.
Yes, I want to thank you for coming out.
Sure.
And I want to tell you the reason why we are here. You may not recollect my face. I know you have sat down.
I know this man.
I have sat down in this house.
So if my house burn, I also look for him because I know him. I know this man. I know a number of people.
So, Oga, very well I know you. But on that video, why we are here was that you said you are a militant.
Oh, bon, continue.
Excuse me, sir. Oga, when you are talking with utmost respect, I don't have any right to object to you. Your boy, no, sir. kí lẹ sọ.
Oṣù yẹn lọ.
Mo ní àlè máa sọ̀rọ̀ king of get yín yàtọ̀ pípẹ́ jù mí lọ by your standard. But what I am saying, sir, is that on that video you said you are a militant. It could be a political habit, but to other people, different interpretation has been given to it. Why some people believe that okay, the next election now, the side militants are coming. There was a tension everywhere. Everybody afraid. When you know what militants stands for, that when militants come, it is killing, it is chasing people away to cast their vote for the people of their right. In this place that you are talking, we have APC here. APC are ready. Controversy, can't remember that they were the set of people that were even pasting poster for the governor. I'm the youth leader of Akure. I don't belong to party. I belong to this community. And that was why I said, I am your boy. I have been your boy. I have known you, been coming to this house. It's over 15 years. But Oga, for you now to come on video, for that your boy to be playing with it, and you said you are a militant, that Jegede cannot talk before Yaya Bello. Who is Yaya Bello? Jegede is a senior advocate of Nigeria. Oga, you are a pride to Oriomi, you are a pride to this country, you are a pride to Ondo State. You are a pride to Jegede is a pride to us. It is what we have. Yes, I know most of the things you have, and I have said it here. If you have all those things in Akure, the progress of Akure should be everybody's priority. Even if it's the Bible.
That is my priority.
What are you Jerusalem? You don't come and share any. Okay, we are here before you. We don't want any crisis in Akure. If any crisis is coming, we are waiting. We are not afraid. Oriomi has a militant. Kogi, they equally have boys. We are not seeking to now. But we don't want problem. Because in the 83, what happened, we don't have leaders today. You knew the set of people, number of people that were killed. The operation went in 1983, nobody make a sacrifice like Akure in the whole Western region. Nobody make a sacrifice. We knew all the leaders that we lost by that time. And we don't want such to happen again. Although we don't want any crisis. If anybody believes with what we have said, they said they are militant, they are coming here, they want to raise shoulder, they want to raise, we are not going to condone it. We are going to face ourselves shoulder to shoulder, war to war.
It is not true. I have no intent. And in any case, mo ṣe chairman party in 2000.
Àbí?
Ṣé mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn?
Jáde governor.
Mo jáde governor. Mo campaign. Ṣé mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé lọ́jà?
Ó jọ mi lójú náà ọ̀gá àgbà tí mo gbọ́ ló gbé
Mo
tó
ní
dẹ́rù
pé
bá wa.
wọ́n yí àwọn.
Ọ̀gá ti ní wọ́n yí ní báyìí o. Wọ́n ní ọ̀nà farabalẹ̀ ọ̀gá pé kò ní sógun àbí.
Look, listen to me. I came into this town in 1991.
Ọ̀gá yóò sọ you said
Since 1991, ẹ̀yìn ọ̀kan kó jáde pé mo wá sọ pé kò wá bá mi lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Láti 1991, kéèyàn kan wá kó jáde tó sọ pé Kékéméké sọ pé kóun lọ ṣe tọ́jú. No, wait now. Láti 1991, gbàwo nìyẹn? Mo ní mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣeré.
ọ̀gá ti ní wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ṣeré ní báyìí o. Pé kò sógun o.